Alright, we got some more Black Friday Home Depot deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest Black Friday deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started talking about ladders, guys. These are killer deals. $69 for 8-foot ladder, $39 for, it looks like a 4, I don't know exactly, yeah, 4-foot ladder, 250-pound capacity. But the best one is this one. It's the Gorilla. I do have this one personally, $99. I believe it is the 18-foot reach, so that's a killer deal on that one. Alright, so $149 for impact driver and drill driver. That is a really good deal. 2 batteries, charger, and a case for yellow tool. That's a really good deal. $14.87 for some batteries. And then you got the battery daddy, $14.98 to 150 battery capacity. Does have a battery tester. So this is actually a pretty good deal. You know, keep your drawers organized. $14.88 for the variety pack, 30 piece. It does come with all sorts of batteries, so pretty much all you're going to be needing. $12.98 for the kneeling pad. Save your needs, guys. Invest in your safety. If you're going to be, doing some plumbing or whatever, make sure you guys wear or, put that on the floor. You got an extension cord, very inexpensive. It's only a 50-footer, 15 amp, 14 gauge. Not bad though. You got a 21-inch replacement blade for the M18 fuel. It's on pretty much on clearance because they're not selling a lot of these. And the mower, it got replaced by a Ryobi mower, and they're not selling a lot of them, so maybe because of the price tag. 21-inch mulch mower there for $299, down from $369. Not too bad. Alright, $249. This is for wet tile saw. Not too bad. It is a smaller one, so pretty good deal on this one. And then you have the Mega Bass for $19.97. A small speaker. Well, it's actually kind of a medium-sized speaker, but not. It's only 10 watts, so don't expect a lot of that one. $19.88 for this pan. If you guys like to go out camping and stuff like that, it's a nice pan to have for camping. And then some more gifts for the house. $49.88. You got this blender. These are really expensive, but they're now down to $64.88. So, and this $49.88 for this. Looks like a small 4-piece hand blender. And you got a pressure cooker for $49.88. $69.88 for the other one. And then you got, if you need to make some coffee for the garage, there you go. For $19.98 for rechargeable work lights. This is a pretty bright light, and it is rechargeable. And the yellow buttons there on the top, we're going to go ahead and press that. Yeah, pretty bright. $14.98 for this ultra bright garage light. So if you got a light socket there, you guys could stick that in there. Really bright light. And portable speaker for $29.88 from Monster. Pretty much general gifts or gift ideas for the holiday season. You got a drone, a quadcopter drone Wi-Fi camera, $34.88, very inexpensive. That's nice. Does have some guards there. And then you got the search kit, $24.88. A 3-pack. And then it does include a USB Type-C. The bigger one does have that. Some iPhone cables, USB-A and USB-C. So, and then you can choose which one you need. It does say on the right-hand corner. Alright, if you guys are buying TVs this Black Friday, you're going to need some TV bundle. So the mount and the lights, and then you got some light or the sound bar for $39.88 for clear wave. Not too bad for this one. I don't know about the sound quality, but I'm pretty sure it's better than TV. So $14.98 for the activated wall light. It is battery powered, so if you guys have a closet or something or a shed, it's a great idea. Actually, I should have just bought myself one of these. So I do have a couple sheds I need to put light on. So definitely check it out. And it is motion activated. Alright, so we're on the clearance section now. So 126 down from 179. It's a hammer drill kit XR. Got the retractable cord, 50 foot, $96. Then you got another retractable cord, 16 gauge, $53. And then you got a recovery strap for $24.98. I believe this was from last year. You got a 4 outlet 16 gauge cord and reel. This one's $33 off from $35. Alright, and then we have some framing nailers from DeWalt. I did not see a price on these. The 99 is not there. Same thing with this one. I did not see a price on this flexible compressor. And then 112 from 159. Guys, every time you guys see something like that and you guys don't see a price, you can always double check with the associate. The associates do carry the special cell phone or device that they can check, because sometimes the online stuff prices will not match. It will just say it's not available at the store. So $29.88 for the compressors or the inflators. It's not really a compressor, but it's an inflator. You can choose from 12 volts or house outlets style. $159 for the 3-ton aluminum hybrid floor jack. That's pretty nice. Save some money on that one. $29.88 for the 14-inch tote bag. It's actually a pretty good sized tote bag. It's you can fit a lot of stuff in here. And then you got the buy one get one free. I ended up getting the rear handle circular saw. You can get the table saw, the miter saw, the flexible miter saw, the angle grinder. Those are all flexible tools, and they do qualify for a free 9-amp-hour battery, $239 value. Definitely check it out, and these deals are hackable. So jump on it while you can, while supplies last, because they will sell out. $89 for this work table or workbench. And then you got this DeWalt inflator and jump starter pack, $119. So air compressor inflator. And then you have this $59.88 for this rigid vacuum. The drawers are $99. And same thing with these, buy one get one free, or buy two get one free. So you buy any of the two tools on the top, and get a free 2-pack of 6-amp-hour batteries. That is a really good deal. Once you guys do the hack, that drops down pretty low. So definitely check it out. Lots of good deals. And then another good deal is this rigid 3-pack modular storage system. We'll go over it in a second. We got $69 for the brand nailer, $99 for the impact driver and drill driver. That's a pretty good deal on this one, especially if you're starting out. Alright, so on these, they come up to around $140 something, around less than $150. So that's actually a pretty dang good deal. These are pro level boxes, and they do have metal latches, or for the modular. So definitely check it out. Alright, so we're at the gift center. We're going to be looking at the highlights here. We're not going to be looking at everything. So $99 for impact driver or drill driver, $149 for both of them, with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. And then we have these, very inexpensive, just under $10, guys, for 14 piece there, and then a 30 piece for a bit driver, some nut drivers, and then you have the power stack, the brand new power stack battery, $99. Alright, so $299 for the 4-tool Comica oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries, and a charger in the bag. So pretty good deal on this one. Definitely check it out. All the Atomic Compact Series. Alright, so buy any of these on the bottom and get one free. Buy the one on the top, the $379, get 2 tools for free. So definitely check it out. The $179 is actually the cheaper out of the whole shebang here, the whole holiday deals, buy one get one free. So same thing with these. You buy the $399, get 2 free. You buy the $199, get 1 free. So there's a lot of good stuff to get in there, especially at angle grinder. Definitely check it out. That is the cheapest, the $199 that you have to buy so you can get a free tool. Same thing with this. You buy the $499, get 2 free tools. You buy the $349, get 2 free tools with the power stack. And then get the $299 with the impact driver, drill driver, get 1 free tool, and then 1 free tool with the $199 battery deal, which is this one. It's just the cheapest on this brand, so definitely check it out. At $279 down from $299 with the 12 amp hour and the 3 amp hour battery. So that is a price drop, big price. Same thing with this one, guys. The 8 amp hour and the 6 amp hour batteries, they priced them down to $279 from $299, and you get a free tool. And then you spend that $499, get that 2 free tools. So definitely check that out. And the cheapest is going to be the $199 deal and get a free tool. That is the one that the price drop. And yeah, this is new. I actually didn't know about this price drop until I pulled up to the store. That is the cheapest for this one. $199 will get you a free tool, and all the free tools are on the bottom. Alright, so $199 will get you a free tool, and $99 with 2 batteries will get you a free tool. So definitely check it out. Ryobi has a lot of tools that other brands do not have, and definitely jump on these, especially that inflator and that light, and deals like this. That's why you're supposed to have these batteries, because these scrubbers and stuff like that, other companies do not make it for them. $19.88 for the high visibility and the glasses. Well, that's a pretty good deal. And my favorite gloves there, $14.97. And same thing with those $19.97 safety glasses. One of my favorite, not these, the ones on the bottom there. That is one of my favorite safety glasses. Fog free, impact resistant. Alright, so another good deal is this one, $4.99 6-tool combo kit. This is a killer deal. 2 batteries, charger, in a case, basically. If you want to call the DeWalt Tough System modular storage system case with rolling case. And then buy one, get one free. This is another killer deal. $2.99 will get you 2 free tools, or 2 free batteries, my bad. And it does already come with batteries, but you're going to get a total of 4 if you keep the other 2 batteries. But if you don't, you're going to be able to hack it. So $39 for the large box on the belt out from Husky. $79 on the bottom rolling box. And then $29.98 on this one. I really like this platform. Same thing with the Rigid. I really like both of those platforms. Pretty good deals on those. Very, budget friendly. Alright, so $11.97. This is a really good deal on this one too. I was just looking at it. 18 piece drive ratcheting screwdriver set. It does have a lot of bits. You can store them inside. And it is a ratcheting screwdriver. Alright, some more hacks, guys. $5.99 40 volt max XGT chainsaw kit, 18-inch chainsaw kit with the 5 amp hour battery. $3.99 brushless blower kit with the 4 amp hour, and impact driver, drill driver with 2.5 amp hour batteries. Get a free 4 amp hour battery. These deals are hackable, guys. So definitely jump on it if this is what you want to go into. The XGT line. And then, yes, guys, online, I believe, and even at the stores, you can even get them. They are $219. Run and get them, guys. They're still there on some of the stores. This store is pretty packed. It does have, pretty stocked up. They have a lot of these. So definitely check it out. Lots of good deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one.